make a big bubble by Nakia Ahmad Suratna Diaksa. 1. Prepare 1 liquid soap and lots of water. 2. Use the liquid soap and the water like when you're washing your hands. 3. Make a circle with your hand. 4. Blow until there is a small bubble. 5. Blow a bit bigger. 6. Blow bigger. 7. As big as you can. And if the bubble pops, you can make another one. Done! Thank you for watching, Bubble Makers.